Today, we're unboxing the Yzona inner fender liners, an awesome upgrade for your Jeep. Let's see what's inside. The box arrived in great condition and shipping was fairly quick. Inside, the fenders and parts are securely wrapped, with the hardware included in a small, neatly organized box. Right out of the box, you can see these liners are constructed from high-quality, corrosion-resistant steel. This ensures they not only look amazing, but also provide long-lasting durability and superior protection against mud, rocks, and debris. One standout feature is the iconic star design. Here's something cool. The white part of the star is removable and fully customizable. I'll be painting mine red to give my Jeep a bold, personalized. The package includes all the hardware you need for a seamless bolt-on installation, no drilling or cutting required. Once installed, these liners add style and protection, making my Jeep customized and ready for anything. Stay tuned for my installation video.